Hi everyone. So, what if your Power BI dashboard could predict, which borrower is about to default before the bank even realizes it? Today, I'm building a complete AI risk scoring engine for lending portfolio using Power BI with stress testing and default prediction as well. So this is not a sales dashboard. This is the financial intelligence dashboard. So I have imported the data and also I have written certain DAX queries. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll put the link of dataset and DAX queries and theme so that you can use them at the time of building the dashboard. So I'm going to import the theme first, and this is the theme. I'll import it, and so this is imported. Now next step is that let's put the title of the dashboard. So I'm going to put the title of the dashboard as risk AI risk scoring engine. Okay, so let's click on insert shape and a rectangle shape, and this would be okay. So I'm going to select likewise. Then we have format. Let's click on format. Let's disable this one, shape and style, and we have to enable text. Okay, now let's put AI risk scoring engine, right? This is done. Now let's make it 20 bold and middle. Okay, now what we have to do, let's select this one and go. Okay, fill, we have to disable this fill so that theme color will be applied, and then we have to use this one as white. So this is applied, right? Now we can go for here visual border, enable this one. Then color, we can choose the color likewise, and rounded corners, let's make it 8 9 10, this much. Then shadow, enable the shadow, so inside, right? Then we can go for glow as well. Okay, we can say glow, so this color is selected, glow. We can choose the color, but I think this color is okay. Okay, now let's go for this much is okay, so let's make it likewise. Okay, now so this is the title of the dashboard. Now I want to put the card, so this would be card, and here I want to select as total exposure first, then risk score. This is the risk score. Then we have high risk. Then we have probability. Okay, default probability. So this is done. Now let's put this here. Okay, copy this, format, and put this here. Okay, let me copy this again, and so it is not selected. Let me select this and put this here. This is also done. Now we have to work up a little bit size and style. So call out, then we have no values. Let's click on values. Let's make it 15, not that much. Color middle. Okay, now label also, so let's put it white. Done. Now let's put this in this manner. Okay, this much. Done. So second part is done. Now I want to show the AI risk engine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select shape this, and let's put this here likewise. Okay, and title would be AI risk engine, right? Now title is okay. Let's make it middle, right? And we have the fill color, so let's make it off. Okay, now we can say copy this format, home, and put this here. So this is also done. Now we have to select this. Let's make it on and middle. Done. Now I want to show the slicer here. Okay, so I'm going to add the slicer. So slicer would be, let's put the slicer here. Okay, and the value would be customer ID, this. Now let's disable this is not required. Slicer setting would be drop down, selection would be this. Okay, slicer header is okay, header is okay. Let's change the font, and then values. So we have to work upon values. So values would be this color, right? So this is reflecting. Now what we can do, copy this and paste this here also. So everything is done, changed, right? Now next step would be, I'm going to add the God chart. Okay, and this I want to add here. Okay, likewise. So I want to add a risk score here, risk score, right? This is showing. Now let's copy this format and paste this here also, right? Now we have to work upon this because values are not reflecting. It is 27 data levels and all that. Okay, so we can say call out values. This would be our this one, bold, and okay, so we have target values. So let's make it white. This is also done. Data levels, okay, make it white, right? Then gauge axis, colors are okay, right? So this is done. Now I want to add card visual here, card visual, on card visual, and that would be not like that. Okay, likewise put this here, and here I want to show the high risk. Okay, this. So I'm going to copy this and paste this here. Okay, so title would be, title is high risk, it is reflecting. Okay, and I want to put this color as red. Okay, high risk, middle, and bold. Okay, so that's all. Now what I'm going to do, copy this and paste this again and put this here below, right? This time this would be default probability. So this would be default probability. Okay, done. So default probability. Now what we can do, we can disable label. We can disable the label. Okay, here also done. So this is the data which we are showing. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this and paste this here again, not here, here. Okay, and this time it would be AI risk drivers. Okay, AI risk drivers. Okay, and here I want to add, so this is key influencers. So I'm going to add key influencers within this box. Put this here. Okay, and key influencers. So here I would like to add the values as analyze default status. Okay, and explain by credit score, right? So that's all. And payment status also we can, payment delays also we can add it. Okay, likewise. Now we are going to add one more here, decomposition tree. So within this box only, likewise risk score. And I want to add employment type. Then I want to add sector. We have sector and region as well. So if I expand this high value, it should reflect, see this, right? So we can say this is the title. Let's make it off. Title is not required, right? Data is reflecting. Now again we are going to copy this shape and put this shape here. Okay, and this time so this is added. Now I want to add here this should be another one, not driver. So this would be stress testing lab. Okay, this I want to say stress testing lab. Testing lab. Done. Now what I'm going to do, I'll add the values as in test shock. Okay, so let's select the card. So let me delete this, let me copy this only, paste this, put this here, and value would be something different. So in test shock, so we have here this, so title would be in test shock. To the title, risk score. Okay, let's make it medial. This would be adjusted risk score. Let's make it medial. Done. Now we are going to copy this, paste this here, and we are going to say this time remove this and test risk. Okay, this one. So title would be test risk high risk. Okay, risk, right? Now this is done. We can add one more card. So let's put this here. And this time it would be default status. Okay, so this would be default status, right? Done. So we are done with this. Now we can do a little bit formatting for this. So I'm going to select this one. Let's disable this, and we have analysis. So counts. Okay, then bubble visuals. Okay, like black. So we can say, I think black is okay. The primary element text, this other prime payment. Okay, so we can say this background should be this. Okay, so then we have to go for white, right? So this is done. Now we are going to work upon this. So analysis, it is okay. Trees or bars, how you want to show. Okay, values, so let's make it white, and headers, let's go for this one. Let's make it white. Done. Subtitle, so let's go for white. Okay, background. So background is by default it is selected, right? So this is done. Now we can add certain let's make it here. Likewise, let's add certain slicers. So I want to add two more slicers. Okay, so let's copy this, paste this here, and I want to add as a region. Okay, region slicer, and I want to add another one. So let's put this here, and this will not be region, this would be employment, not employment. Let's add sector wise. Okay, now let's see whether this is working fine or not. Okay, ist, so see this data is getting changed, right? It is working. If I go ahead with this, so data is getting changed, right? So this value we can change. This should not be, because both are same. So we are going to select payment delays. This, okay, right? Done. So that's all about it. And this is how you can develop the AI risk scoring engine in Power BI. So I'll put the dataset link and theme and DAX queries so that you can develop at your end, and you can do the formatting at your end as per your requirement. Okay, only this is the visualization. There should be no visualization that what kind of dashboard you want to build up. That's all about it. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.